Okay, people, yes, I look a hot mess, and you know what that means. It is makeup time. Yes, well, actually, it's eyeshadow time, okay? I got some new palettes. Oh, my God, okay. And check it out. The Saharan 2 palette by Juvia's Place. Now, I never could get my hands on the Saharan palette because they were always sold out, okay? And every time, I mean, it's taken me since they came out on YouTube, okay, Juvia's Place, to get a palette, okay? And it's 2018. Yes, people, it took me that long. I've been trying, but I haven't been able to get it. What it is that the popular palettes were all sold out, and I just had the little pickovers, and I wasn't getting that because that's not what I wanted. Okay, then this time, by all this time, they came out with a bunch more palettes, and they have the Saharan 2 palette, so I got that because it was smaller, and I like the colors. And this is how it came in this bubble wrap, okay? And this is what the actual palette looks like. Isn't she pretty? Yes, okay. I'm not going to tell you guys what the other one is. I'm going to wait until I do a video, okay, on that palette. But this is what it looks like. And we're going to do a look, okay? We're going to do an evening / night look because I have to go to work and I'm closing, okay? So, what I'm doing here is just using some colors. I washed my brushes, but let me see if I can use any out this. Okay, because it's a night look, oh wow, this is such the typical color. I want to go in with this burnt orange, but I think what I'm going to do is I am going to use this as a transition color, okay? And the reason why I'm going to do that is because it's out of the norm. And I'm going to put it in the transition area. Let me draw you in. Okay. Scoot you over. I don't know. Oh, sorry. I don't know why I don't do this before I start the video, but okay. They're not twins, but they are related. Okay. There we go. Look at that. Say, this is what I'm talking about. Uh-huh. Yes. Yes. Okay. And I am just getting it in there. Wow. That's pretty. Put something in the crease. Okay, you know what? No, I'm not. I'm gonna put something on the lid first. We're gonna go in on the lid, and then I'm gonna put something in the crease and blend them together. Okay. Wow, this is pretty cool. Now I don't know. Oh my God. Okay. You know what? F it. Okay. I'm gonna put this blue. I'm gonna put this blue. Yes, I am. I'm gonna put the blue. Now I don't know about. Ooh. Yeah, I don't know about. Let's see. It's not coming. Doesn't look like it's coming off on the brush. Actually, it is. But I think, let me use my, let me use my finger. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh-wee! Look at that. Woo! Uh-oh. See, this is that stuff that it transfers, okay. It makes a mess. Look at that pigmentation. And that's with the middle finger. Yes! Yes! Oh yeah. Okay. Let me get a little bit on here, because yeah, there we go. Wow. Okay, that's loud, just like I am loud. Okay. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the same brush and I'm going to go in with the brown. I'm going to show you what the brown looks like. I'm going in with that. Okay? Okay. I'm going to take this and I'm going to do it in the crease. And then blend it. Oh yeah. So I can get a more precise crease color. Like a cut crease. Yeah. Let me put a little bit more since I said cut crease. Yeah. Then I'm going to flick it up a little bit. Oh yeah. Woo! Girl, what the hell is on your mind? I may be dumb, but I'm not blind. Yes. Definitely can't be blind with this color. Okay. My camera's getting hot already and I got the fan on. Imagine that. Okay. That's these hot colors. Yes. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to blend these in the crease and I'll be right back. Okay, folks. I'm finished with the eye look. I haven't put all my makeup on yet, but I took my hair down because, you know, I was feeling myself. But let me give you a close-up. Look at that. Wow. Oh, and I went under the eyes with this. It's like an electric blue. Wow. That looks really nice. Okay. Now that's a palette. That's a palette. That is a palette. Too bad I ain't got my hair on, honey, because the wind is blowing. Woohoo! Okay. Yes, feeling myself. And oh, and then I went on, I did the highlight and I used this color. Now these colors don't have names on this Sahara 2 palette, but I went in with this color here. Okay, and I thought it would go good. It's extra. Okay, it's a night look. You can get away with it. Okay, yes. So let me finish the rest of my makeup, okay? And I'll be right back. Okay, this is the finished look, minus the lipstick. Got my hoops on, okay? Got my hair gelled up. Yes, honey, okay? You know them looks, okay? You think you're looking good, all of a sudden you want to sing, okay? Anyway, I want to go with a nude lip, okay? Because I want my eyeshadow, excuse me, to pop. So I'm going to try another color out of my, should I try it out of my gift palette? Okay, and the reason for that is because I really like the way these lipsticks stayed on, okay? Well, the red one. However, these lipsticks, they look pretty, but they don't stay on no time, okay? No, and when I say no time, the little 4 hours that I work, they don't stay on, okay? And I haven't even eaten anything, and it's gone. Okay, so I'm going to put this on top of the long-lasting ones, okay? Now, I don't know what color this one is, but it's this pretty peachy color, like a light peach. And we're going to see how that looks. Might be too loud. Let me pull you in here. I wouldn't even mind these lipsticks. The only thing about it is these colored lipsticks, they show every crevice and crook in your lip. So, let's see what we can go over it with. Okay, we're gonna go over it with this mauve pink right here. And see how that goes on. It tones it down. Oops. Look like. Okay. That looks like I'm going to church. So let me trying to see what I could tone it down with. Let's tone it down with this color here. Okay. And oh, it's coming off. That is the color though. Okay, let's see if that turned that right into a nude. I'm just saying, okay. Don't let me break out my frost, okay? Because you know my frosties, boy, they be hooking a girl up. Love me some frosties. Okay, let's see. Oh, wait, something happened. Oh, came apart, okay? The so-called glass piece. Oh. Okay, hopefully that keeps in place. Fixed it. But yeah, so let me back up so we can actually get a look going here. Yeah, I am really liking this. Okay, you know I'm gonna come with another look, okay, out of this palette, and that is the Saharan 2 by Juvia's Place palette. I don't know how much it costs, okay? I don't know if it was $22 or $12, okay? And these are the colors once again, and I think next time I'm going to try to incorporate that color into a look for a daytime look. I think that would be a good daytime look. We'll have to see. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you like this look. Give it a thumbs up. You know there's going to be more, so you might as well hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to leave any of your questions or your comments down below. But most of all, stay blessed. Bye.